it's Gabrielle, and this video is a sample from Studyclix Boost, our new rapid revision tool. Go to studyclix.ie/boost to find out more.
Here we're looking at this thing known as a Central Limit Theorem. Now all you've got to do basically is learn that pink box or the purple box shown here, and they'll probably ask you 1 or 2 points from the box. So what it's saying is if the sample size is bigger than or equal to 30, the mean of the sample will be the same as the population mean. Second thing, the standard deviation of the sampling distribution is the standard deviation over root n. Now that is actually found in your formula books on page 34. And we'll use that in the confidence intervals for means. So what that's saying is, as the sample size, or as n increases, the standard deviation decreases. So the larger the sample becomes, the tighter the means will be packed. So we'll end up getting a taller shape of a normal distribution and a narrower shape. So it becomes taller and narrower. Number 3, if the sample size is bigger than or equal to 30, so this is the key number here, bigger than or equal to 30, regardless of the shape of the original distribution, the distribution of the sample means results in a normal distribution. So that's pretty mad. So whatever the shapes of these we individual sample means have, if we have more than or equal to 30 of these samples, we'll get a normal distribution. So regardless of the shape of the original distribution, the taking of the averages of the samples results in a normal curve. Now that is pretty cool. And number 4 there, if we've got less than 30 samples and the original population is normal, then the sampling distribution of the means will also have a normal curve. So if it's normal at the start, it's going to be normal when we do the sample means as well. So if you just learn off 2 or 3 of those points, you'll be flying. The big ones I always say, if n's bigger than or equal to 30, and the sample mean is going to be the same as the population mean, point number 1. And number 2, the standard deviation of the sampling distribution is standard deviation over root n. So from that we can see that it depends on the sample size. The bigger the sample size, the smaller the standard deviation, the taller the normal distribution, and the narrower that it is.